What exactly are you doing?
I'm trying to reach out to all my followers. I'm up to 3,500.
Sounds pretentious.
Really? How many followers do you have?
None. The last thing I need are a bunch of random people following me.
Sounds like what a loner would say.
Says the one with a narcissistic complex.
Whatevs. I bet if you actually tried to use some of your apps, you would have lots of followers.
I don't have apps.
Everybody in 2018 has apps.
I don't. I have a flip phone.
What did you say?
I have a flip phone. I've had it for 14 years.
That phone is older than I am.
There's nothing wrong with this phone.
Do you still use a phone book? Check your emails on AOL with your dial-up connection?
It works just fine.
Are you still on Mom and Dad's plan?
Yeah, always have been.
Can I see your phone?
I love that phone.
You have free phones saved up since you didn't use your Every2.
My what?
Yeah, ancient history phone companies kept their customers by giving them a new phone every 2 years. You never cashed in. Stop living in the past. It's time to start your new beginnings. And your new beginnings will arrive in 2 to 3 business days.
Looks nice.
Yeah, but keep in mind that these things break easily.
Hey, I had my other phone for 14 years. How hard could taking care of one of these things be?
Yoink!
I remember the time when technology wasn't so complicated. Flip phone 2.0. Here's to another 14 years.